Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is 7th period of the periodic table contains normal element A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, and D, 8. So the correct option is A, 2. The next MCQ is periodic table has been divided into 4 blocks. Which blocks contain highest element A, S, B, P, C, D, and D, F. So the correct option is C, D. The next MCQ is the division of elements into blocks in the modern periodic table is based on A, shells, B, subshells, C, orbital, and D, all. So the correct option is B, subshell. The next MCQ is keeping in view the size of atom, which order is correct one. Magnesium is greater than Sr, B, Ba is greater than Mg, C, Lu is greater than Lc, and D, Sl is greater than I. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is Mosley concluded by the X-ray studies of the element that physical and chemical properties of element depends upon A, atomic mass, B, atomic number, C, mass number, and D, all. So the correct option is B, atomic number. The next MCQ is which one of the following is not ionic hydride? A, CSH, B, LiH, C, HCl, and D, NH. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the element with highest first ionization energy is A, B, C, C, B, C, C, O, and D, N. So the correct option is D, nitrogen. The next MCQ is mark the correct statement. A, Na plus is smaller than Na, C, Na plus is larger than Na, C, Sl is smaller than Sl, and D, Sl ion is Sl are equal. So the correct option is A. Na is greater than, Na plus is greater than, smaller than Na. The next MCQ is the element which atomic number 9 is closest and chemical properties with element of atomic number. So the correct option is C, 17. The next MCQ is period 6 and periodic table contains which block element? A, Sp, B, Spd, C, Spf, and D, Spdf. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which introduced the zero group. So the correct option is D, Mosley. The next MCQ is element of group 2B are called A, representative element, B, transition element, C, non-typical transition element, and D, finite metal group. So the correct option is C, non-typical transition element. The next MCQ is the element which lowest MPT, A, B, C, magnesium, C, CD, and D, Cr. So the correct option is B, magnesium. The next MCQ is which of the following sets of atoms are arranged in order of decreasing electronegativity? A, NOF, B, SIPS, C, FON, and D, SIP. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which when hydrogen loses its electron to form H plus ion, then it resembles A, transition element metals, B, halogen, C, alkali metals, and D, noble gases. So the correct option is C, alkali metals. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.